At Brady, we know that food safety starts with workplace safety. Legible and durable identification is a critical element of workplace safety programs. Our Tough Wash washdown resistant labels are specifically designed to be the identification product of choice in food and beverage processing facilities. Most labels won't withstand the constant harsh washdown cycles of food and beverage processors, but our B855 Tough Wash washdown resistant labels withstand the high temperatures, intense water pressures, and caustic chemicals of even the harshest food and beverage washdown cycles. Rigorously developed and tested by our material scientists, Tough Wash washdown resistant labels will have outstanding durability. The printed text will not fade, and the label won't break apart. Tough Wash labels stay adhered to stainless steel surfaces, equipment, tanks, vats, and more. Tough Wash labels can be printed in a matter of minutes from a variety of Brady's easy-to-use printers, allowing you to create washdown-resistant safety, instructional, and lean labels in your own facility. Get started today. Request sample labels or learn more by visiting one of our websites.